Can you guess where is this? No clue? Well, here's another hint. Still don't get it? It's in the same country as this. Namaste. Yes, welcome to India. We are going off beaten path to see the beautiful Andaman Islands, experiencing the best rain beaches in all of Asia, unspoiled natures, visit the historical colonial architecture, learning about its history, getting wet from lots of water activities, smelling fishy from my big catch, getting carried away from the Indian wedding, barking around for great shopping, tasting lots of sweet treats and great local food. Of course, not to mention the warm hospitality of its people in this sunshine island. Of course, all done safely, inexpensively, and easily. Anything I can do, you can do. Welcome to the remote and magnificent Andaman Islands.